This is how Christina Longest riff sounds like. And I'm going to show you how to sing it. So the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to listen to it a couple of times very slowly. Then we are going to sing the lower note, B, and the highest. And then you're going to assess how comfortable you feel here, because these are the edges of the actual riff. So if you don't feel comfortable with this note or with this one, it's going to make it harder for you to sing. Now we're going to break the long riff into 4 sections. Section 1, section 2, section 3, and section 4. For section 3 and 4, there are 2 things that you need to look at. First is the semitone here, because you wouldn't expect to have this G sharp here as part of the pentatonic scale that makes this riff. And the ornament that we have on section 4. It's very quick, so it's very easy not to sing and define. So once that we have the 4 sections practiced well and you're confident with them, we put 2 sections together. Now together, from the beginning till the end, twice. Let's sing it with Christina. How did it go? Did it go well? If it didn't go well, go back to the beginning of the video and keep practicing. See you in the next video.